In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the Subbasin LID Structures command. This command allows you to define and assign low-impact design elements within your project. This command is only enabled when EPA SWIM is selected as the hydrology analysis engine in the Scenario Manager. Otherwise, it will be disabled. To begin, go to the Input ribbon menu, click the Drainage Subbasins dropdown, and select Subbasin LID Structures. This opens the Subbasin LID Structures dialog box. Here, you can create new LID structures, copy or delete existing ones, and choose the LID structure type. Options include bioretention cell, bioswale, green roof, infiltration trench, permeable pavement, rain barrel, rain garden, and rooftop capture. A short description and preview image of the selected type will be shown. Each LID structure provides panels for defining its properties. The Layer Specifications panel is where you set the physical characteristics of the LID system, such as surface slope, soil properties, storage layers, or pavement details. The Discharge Specifications panel is available for certain LID types and allows you to model outflow behavior, including flow coefficients, outlet height, or control curves. In addition, every subbasin has its own LID Specifications data panel inside the Subbasin Data dialog box. You can go to the Subbasin Data dialog box by double-clicking on any subbasin. Then open the LID Specifications data panel. This panel manages how the defined LID elements are applied to a specific subbasin. The LID Definition section lists all the LIDs that have been defined in the project. You can select the LID from the LID Element ID drop-down and click on the Add button to assign the LID to your subbasin. All the added LIDs will be shown in the Defined LID Elements table along with their properties, such as Subbasin Area Collected. This column lists the total subbasin area being processed by the defined LID element. Collected from Impervious Area. This column lists the percentage of the impervious portion of the subbasin non-LID area whose runoff is processed by the LID element. Collected from Pervious Area. This column lists the percentage of the pervious portion of the subbasin non-LID area whose runoff is processed by the LID element. The LID element parameters section allows you to set coverage and connection details, such as area processed by each LID unit, number of LID units, and other parameters. Finally, after a computation, the LID results section provides a summary of how the defined LID elements performed within the subbasin. You can also view the results for the LIDs in the Plot Hydrographs. Go to the Results ribbon menu and click on Plot Hydrographs. Select the LID Structures tab. From the panel on the left, you can select the scenario, element type, and the variable for which you want to plot the hydrograph. You can even view the data tables and the data summary.